Hello everyone, I am Jin Junyu from the Zhongshan Kinlong Precision Bathroom Department, Application Technology Department. Today, I will introduce our new shower room product, high-end customized products. Today's topic is mainly introduces high-end customized products for shower rooms from the following key points. Key point 1, product classification. 2, applicable scenarios and selection of products. 3, introduction of product design highlights. What is high-end customized product? The definition of high-end customized shower room products is to produce and process products that beyond general standards for the demand side. What are the categories of high-end shower room product series? In this chapter, I will give you a simple and intuitive classification introduction. This is a product display diagram. Currently, the high-end products of the shower room in the department are mainly divided into 4 categories. Style of rotating shaft, single leaf moving style, hinge style, double leaf moving style. Under the 4 major categories, it can be further classified into style of rotating shaft, GZ001 series, single leaf moving style, GD001 series, hinge style, GH001 series, double leaf moving style, GS001 series. 4 major series. On the right are some characteristics and main parameters of these 4 major product categories. After a general understanding of the above products, how should we promote them to the market in the daily work? That requires a deeper learning and understanding of the product, application scenarios and selection. The first series, the adaptation scenario and selection of GZ001. It can be divided into straight type, L-shaped, and T-shaped shapes in appearance. This is a pivot type. If you want to promotion specially, you can consider from the perspective of its customization scope. How to recommend 1 fixed with 1 movable door, or 2 fixed with 1 movable door. It mainly based on the scenario and size on site to recommend suitable styles and customized sizes. The T-type is divided into 1 door for 2 purpose and double opening type. 1 door for 2 purpose means that the door can be closed this side or another, so it is called 1 door for 2 purpose. Double opening type means that 2 door openings with 1 door each, allowing for simultaneous opening and closing of doors. The second series, adaptation scenarios and selection of GD001. It can also be divided into straight, L-shaped, and T-shaped shapes in appearance. They are all single leaf sliding door types. Choose the specific form based on the on-site scene. Targeted promotion could be also considered from the perspective of customization scope. Other selection methods are the same as GZ001 introduced earlier. The third series, adaptation scenarios and selection of GH001. Currently, 2 straight models have been developed, belonging to the hinge category. Further selection can be made from the customized range of sizes. The fourth series, GS001, also a straight type, belongs to the double sliding door category. Customized range, width 1,200–1,800 mm, height 1,850–2,400 mm. After introducing the applicable scenarios and selection of the product, how can we introduce the design highlights of the product to customers? The first prominent feature of the GZ001 series of products is that they not only can be opened either internally or externally individually, but also have both internal and external opening functions. Especially for a two-purpose T-shaped door, the rotation angle can reach 250 degrees. In general, the glass door needs to be rotated 90 degrees from the closed state to the open state, and some need to be rotated 180 degrees to reach the closed state of another door. You can continue to rotate to the open state of this door, reaching 250 degrees. The second design highlight of the GZ001 series is the automatic telescopic magnetic strip, which can adjust the distance by 2 mm. Within this size range, it can be automatically adjusted to ensure sealing. The profile comes standard with 10 mm glass, and the notch size of the profile is 9.8 mm. Just knock the glass in gently without the need for glue. If install 8 mm glass, it is necessary to fill the gap with adhesive strips at this position. The first highlight of the GD001 series is that the wall profile structure adopts a combination type. The profiles fixed on the glass and wall are separated. Generally, wall profile is integral structure, and in order to install the upper guide rail, a notch needs to be milled in the wall profile. While our separated wall profile does not need to be milled with notches, and can be installed with fixed glass profiles of appropriate length according to the size of the notches, the gap is flatter and smoother. Similarly, the standard glass thickness is 10 mm, and if the glass is 8 mm, rubber strips need to be inserted. It is not recommended to use glass below 8 mm. In addition, the width of the front side of the wall profile is 25 mm, which is very narrow and minimalist in style, making it look more beautiful. With the wall thickness of 1.2 mm is sufficient for strength. Another design highlight of GD001 is mentioned earlier that the front height of the profile is only 25.5 mm, with an extremely narrow and minimalist style, which make it look great. With the wall thickness at the load-bearing area reaches 2.5 mm, and the wall thickness at the non-load-bearing area is also reached to 2.2 mm, making it more secure and reliable. Standard glass with a thickness of 8-10 mm, laminated or wired art glass. Now let's take a look at the advantages of the GH001 series hinge. Firstly, the hinge is hidden inside the profile, which is look more nice. Moreover, the weight-bearing capacity of a single hinge can reach 30 kilograms. With good load-bearing capacity ensures safety and reliability. The second advantage of the GH001 series is also its extremely narrow and minimalist design. The width of the front profile for wall, fixed glass, upper guide rail or magnetic section are less than 22 mm, which looks very simple and good looking. Finally, let's take a look at the advantages of the GS001 series. The first advantage is the use of a hidden lower pulley, which is hidden at the bottom of the door and cannot be seen when the door is moving, making it looks more good. And the lower guide rail support can bear a weight of 60 kg, which is safer and more reliable. The second advantage of the GS001 series is that the wall profile structure adopts a combination type. The wall profile and fixed glass profile are separated. The wall profile no need to be punched with guide rail gaps, but selecting the length of the fixed glass profile according to the gap size, which greatly speed up delivery time of the product. Secondly, the width of the wall profile is also extremely narrow, at 25 mm. Simple and aesthetics. The wall thickness is 1.4 mm, even better than the strength of 1.2 mm. Shower room of high-end customization. Excellent quality and nice product.